Hi guys, it's your favorite financial life coach, Coach Star, and I'm super excited to kick off our June Money Challenge, the Own Your Freedom 5-Day Money Makeover. This free challenge beginning June 21st through June 25th is a great opportunity for you to challenge yourself and your money to learn more, save more, make more, and live more. The challenge rules are very simple. Number one, just like this post and join the challenge below with the link provided in the description box. Secondly, tag 5 friends that you want to see win financially and have financial success. Thirdly, follow me on Instagram at SapphireStar, two R's, _ travel. And lastly, share this post on your feed and also comment how and what you need to achieve your financial goals. I look forward to participating in this challenge with you. And as always, I am wealthy, you are wealthy, we are wealthy. I'm super excited for us to achieve financial success, abundance, and prosperity in our lives and for generations to come. Thank you.